Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your META Ray-Ban glasses to Calm. To connect it, first of all you need to have the Calm app, and also you need to open the META AI. Now in META AI app, open the settings of the device. The ones that are lower, you can see there are two gear icons. You need to select the one that is lower. Then go to connected apps and go to Calm. Now click on connect Calm. By the way, there is a free 3 months free subscription that you can redeem once you have the glasses. It comes included with the glasses, so it's pretty great. You can see Calm is now connected, and you can go to touchpad. Then I don't really know why you can't really okay, so you can't really do it like you would with Amazon Music or Spotify, where you could press and hold on the touchpad to play the music. But if you click on Calm, you can see you can ask META AI if you have the voice commands on by saying, "Hey META, play the daily Calm," or play a breathing exercise on Calm, mindful running music, or whatever else you wish. And you can also control the playback by touch, but you can also do it without that Calm be connected. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.